Can cats eat French fries? Is a question many pet owners ask when their sneaky feline steals a potato chip or fry from the plate. The short answer is no. Cats should not eat French fries. While a tiny nibble of a plain cooked fry probably will not poison your pet, fries are completely unhealthy for felines. French fries are high in saturated fats, carbohydrates, and sodium, none of which belong in a healthy feline diet. Cats are obligate carnivores, meaning their digestive systems are built to process meat, not fried starches. Salt is particularly dangerous because too much sodium can lead to salt toxicity, causing excessive thirst, vomiting, diarrhea, or even serious kidney issues. Additionally, many fries are seasoned with garlic powder or onion powder, which are toxic to felines and can destroy their red blood cells. Cooking oils used for deep frying can also cause severe stomach upset and pancreatitis. If you are wondering if it is safe to feed cats fries, the risks far outweigh any potential treat value. If your pet ate a large amount of seasoned fries or shows signs of illness, consult your veterinarian immediately for guidance. Stick to balanced meat treats instead.